Hello guys, welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel we talk about businesses. We always give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses. And today we're going to be talking about what are the skills that you will gain once you do an electrical course at Finstock Evarsity College. One of the skills you will learn is that you learn about circuit analysis and design. And when you do the electrical course at Finstock Evarsity College, you learn how to design, analyze circuit using that is mathematical models and simulation software. And you will understand the principles of electrical components such as the resistors, things like capacitors, inductors. All these will be taught throughout the course. And then another thing you learn is power systems. And this is where now the course will cover principles of power generation, transmission, and distribution. All these, and how electrical engineers, how do they design and how to maintain these systems to ensure that there is a reliable power supply. And then another thing you learn is control system. And when you're talking about control systems, this is where you find that electrical engineers, they also design and implement control systems to regulate how the electrical or the behavior of electrical systems. And so you find that in this course, you as a student, you will learn about the control theory, the feedback control, or things like digital control systems, all these. And then another thing you learn is electrical machines, where you'll be able to learn about the different types of electrical machines such as motors and generators, and how do they work. All this will be covered in the course, and you'll understand the principles of AC and DC machines and relationship between voltage, current and power. And then you'll also talk about communication systems in the course. And in this unit, you learn about how the world, today's world, is very interconnected, and you find that communication systems are very critical in the operation of electrical systems. And you find that the course will cover the basics of communication systems, that is including this like the analog and digital stands and the transmission of information over a variety of media. So that is all the things that you'll be learning at Finstock Evarsity College. So those are some of the skills or some of the benefits of studying an electrical course at Finstock Evarsity College. If you're interested in doing the course, you can register at Finstock Evarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com or call them at 0703-313-722 or send them an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.